How to grow forget-me-not flowers. Delicate pale blue, or sometimes white and pink, forget-me-nots are a welcome sight after a long, snowy winter. Establishing forget-me-nots in your garden or yard is an easy task with great rewards. Forget-me-nots produce fantasy-like clouds of light blue that can provide quite a show-stopping display. They are a hardy perennial that will spread throughout your garden with very little effort on your part. Things you will need: high-quality potting soil, plant pots, or plastic 6-pack planting inserts. Place potting soil in pots or 6-pack inserts. Gently press the soil into the pot, but do not pack it too hard. Gently pour seeds from a packet into your hand. Forget-me-not seeds are very small provided they are fresh. More than 90% of the seeds should germinate. Pinch a small amount of seeds and sprinkle them on top of the potting soil. Sprinkle more potting soil on top of the seeds so that there is about 1/8 inch of soil over the seeds. Press down to make sure the seeds have good contact with the soil, but do not pack the soil too hard. Water the soil. If your pots are in a cool location, cover them with plastic wrap to trap in heat, which aids in germination. The seeds should germinate within 10 days. Let them grow for 2 weeks before transplanting them outdoors. Dig holes in the soil where you wish to transplant your forget-me-nots. Gently remove the plants from the 6-pack plant pots and set them into the holes. Add soil around the stems and press lightly around the plants. Water only when your plants droop. Spread established forget-me-nots. Walk through the flowers as they begin to die off in mid-June, and gently kick the plants to loosen and spread the seeds. You can also pull up a clump of flowers and shake them over areas where you would like to grow forget-me-nots the following year. Tips. Warnings. For a delicate, beautiful and fragrant bouquet, choose sprigs of forget-me-not and lily of the valley.